Guys, in today's video I'm gonna be finishing now. Why is the Google, what is happening? Why am I laggy? I am not always laggy when I look down. Why is this item frame? Brar. It's absolutely what? It's absolutely my fault. So don't worry. Joke. I want the nice sunset, not the creeper. This is gonna take forever. No. No. Yeah. Perfect. Ooh. Yeah. And then do we just put this and nothing? What do I put there? Okay, wait, let me take a sip of my sito. Yummy. Bro. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Ako rin mag-split there mo ko duwa.
I have so many to get today. I have so many things to put today. Bam, 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 bam. And of course, chest here. Yeah, because you can literally just I forgot. Let me take another sip. So tasty. I can't stop drinking it. Wait, where's my... There you go. Malanton. Oh, I can't put. Oh, sweet. Now let's put chests. Now my sito is horot. There. Bro. Do I put something in here? Did I end it? Oh, I did. Oh. What do I put? Why did I break it? Bro, I'm so laggy. Where's my stuff? Oh my. Oh, I'ma make my cat and dogs. My cats and dogs, you know, bedroom.
Asang kuan? Kamera. Kamera.
This. No, don't you dare end. Don't you dare end the video. No, don't you dare end the video. Bro. I'm gonna back and because I'm gonna bring. Okay, I'm back. Oh. Oh, hello. I need you to be big. My, this thing by baby wolf. Oh, that's a big cat. I hate you. Oh, you look so cute, but oh, can I see your face? Hello. Oh. Oh my god. Oh, you look so cute. You are always dead. And you little puppy, you need to be grown. You need to be grown. You are so cute, little puppy. You are my sweet. You are my sweet puppy. Oh, now you need a wife. Don't you dare get in your husband's way. Girl, you need to be respectful to your husband. Now you are husband and wife. Oh. Oh. Where will be the baby at? Don't you guys hit it? No. 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 I'ma fix it. I'ma fix it. I'ma fix it. I'ma fix it. I don't know what you need to go out. I like how your nose. Now it's time to find your husband. Oh. What the? Where are you? Okay, now you go. You are my babies. Don't go out. Don't go out. You are not allowed to go at my kitties. You are being loved. Beep, 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 beep. I did forget. You are so cute. You can't handle it. My God, you are so cute. Guys, I literally love cats and dogs. I did not throw the bone. Well, it's just for taming. Look at them. Where's the baby? Is it dead? No. No. Where's the baby? I'm using so many steak. Wait, it's beef. It's covered. So if the video cuts by its own without me saying goodbye, then the screen recorder cut it. Okay, now maybe it's time to build it here because I think this is enough, right? There's literally none here. So I'm gonna build the thing, the portal. Well, I have too many in nether portals now.